Welcome to ROAV Perfect classes. Today's topic is block diagram of computer. Block diagram of computer is related to CPU, Central Processing Unit. In this block diagram, we will learn how to CPU functions perform. Here, user give the instruction through the input unit. We use the input unit, mouse, keyboard, scanner. Through these input units, user give the instructions to computer. That instruction goes to memory unit. In first, information goes in the primary unit, and then after, if you save that information, then that information save in the secondary memory. And after saving information in the memory, that information goes into the control unit. Then control unit decides what will be performed next step, and control unit check what will be operation will be performed on these instructions. Arithmetical logical unit. Arithmetical logical unit means arithmetic means plus minus, multiply, division. Logic means less than, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal, not equal. Which type of operation you have to perform on your instructions, that will be decided by the ALU. After performing all the operations, information on the performing all operations, we get the result. That result will be sent back to the control unit, and control unit send that information back to memory unit. From in memory unit, primary memory, that information take and give that information on output unit. You can see result through the monitor or printer. If you want to see result on soft copy, then you can see in computer. If you want to take the hard copy, then you can take the printout through the printer. But before going to next point, we have to understand what is a memory unit. Memory unit are two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory are temporary memory, and secondary memories are permanent memory. But in primary memory, there are further two types are RAM and ROM. ROM is a permanent memory and RAM is a temporary memory, because in RAM we can read and write, but in ROM we can only one time write and multi-time we can read. In RAM we can read and write data. If we do not save data in the RAM, then data will be lost after the switch off the power. But in ROM, one time data is written and multiple time data is read by the users. Then it is a non-volatile memory, and after switching off the power, it will be remain there. And second type is secondary memory. Hard disk, floppy disk and pen drive, these are the examples of secondary memory. These are the permanent memory, because after the saving the data in this memory, we can get any time that information, and it will be permanent information. It cannot be removed if we save them in it. And thus we can say that when we enter the information in a computer, that information first of all goes into the RAM, and after saving that information goes to the secondary memory, that is the hard disk, and then it will be become the permanent memory. This is the block diagram of computer, and this is the function of a CPU, because CPU is the combination of a control unit and arithmetical logical unit. All the functions are performed by CPU. And we can say that computer has three units: input, CPU and output unit. Input take information, CPU processing, and output gives the results. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and share my channel for further notification.